I'm Mike with TechMD, serving up the latest cup of IT. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how ChatGPT can become one of your secret weapons against one of the greatest time eaters, reading long and complex documents. We've all been there, staring down a 50-page report, a dense technical manual, or a lengthy research paper. The problem? Not enough time, not enough focus. Enter ChatGPT, your personal document whisperer. This AI tool takes long and detailed text and can summarize it into clear and concise summaries. It's like having your own personal speed reader who not only reads the content, but absorbs it as well. Here's an example: deciphering healthcare insurance policies. This Kaiser Permanente member resource guide spans 44 pages of intricate reading. With ChatGPT, you can quickly extract the info that's relevant to you. For instance, asking, "Can I visit a non-Kaiser Permanente doctor?" yields this response. Okay, so at which pharmacies can I get a prescription filled? That's good to know. What happens if I'm traveling abroad and have an emergency? ChatGPT can also tackle dense scholarly documents like this 18-page study on protein intake. Let's see if ChatGPT can summarize that for us. Great! And from the study, what are some key dietary changes I should consider? I hope this cup of IT has helped you to work smarter, not harder. With ChatGPT, you'll not only save time, but you'll improve the quality of your takeaways. See you next time for another quick tech tip to boost your productivity with Cup of IT from TechMD.